Hi everyone, I'm back in the house because it really wasn't very nice out today. Well, let's start out inside the house with our bonjour song. Are you ready? Un, deux, trois. Je te dis bonjour, tu me dis bonjour, on se dit bonjour et bonne journée. Je te dis bonjour, tu me dis bonjour, on se dit bonjour et bonne journée. Have a great day. Have a beautiful day, even though the sky is gray right now. Anyway, who would like to be my calendar helper? Okay, let's do it. Now take a look at Mrs. Martin's calendar. Wow, all these pink days are the days that have already gone by, and this is today. So let's see if you can guess what day it is today. Here we go. Let's sing our Days of the Week song. 1, 2, 3. The days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. The days of the week. 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 So I bet you did see what day it is today. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's Friday today, and tomorrow will be Saturday. Well, we've got a lot of numbers on our calendar. All those days that have already gone by. It's still April, month of April. Let's count to see what day it is today. Do you have an idea? Can you read this number? Well, let's count. Make sure you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. It's 24, the 24th of April. And how do you write 24? I see a 2 and a 4. Good job. Very, very good job. So we were talking about flowers, and you saw some of my flowers out in the garden. I asked you to think of some of the names of flowers. Do you know any names of a flower? Can you name them? That's really good. I was thinking though, a lot of girls have names that are names of the flowers. And we have someone in our class who has the name of a flower, a very beautiful flower. I'm thinking of my morning class, and I'm thinking of Lily. Lily is the name of a flower. It's also the name of a girl. Lilies are usually white. There's another name of a flower that could be the name of a girl, and that's Rose. A rose, do you know what a rose looks like? It's beautiful and it usually smells so good, but Rose is the name of a girl. And there's another one I thought of. It's a daisy, and some girls are called, the name of some girls could be daisies. Well, can you think of the colors? What colors did you see outside with my flowers? What color can a flower be? I think flowers can be almost any color of the rainbow. Do you have a favorite flower? Have you been out in the garden looking at some of these beautiful flowers? Well, I have a favorite flower, and I'm going to show it to you right now. Let's see, I'm going to bring this over so I don't pull you over with me. here goes. I'm going to show you my very favorite flower. Here it is. Can you guess what flower this is? What does it look like? It kind of looks like the sun. And that's the name of this flower. It's a sunflower. But it's not called a sunflower because it looks like the sun. It's called a sunflower because this flower follows the sun. It turns as the sun turns. So it's a very interesting flower to see outside, not in a vase. It won't turn to follow the sun. But outside in a sunflower seed, in a sunflower field, you will see the flowers very slowly following the sun. Now, flowers start out with what? What do we need to grow a flower? Well, we need a seed. And what's really cool, now I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but inside the sunflower, those are all seeds. A sunflower can have up to 1,000 seeds. That's a lot of seeds. And some sunflowers make seeds that we can even eat. I think they're delicious. Sometimes we use their seeds to make oil. So flowers are very beautiful. They can smell nice, but they're very good for us too. I have a picture here that shows a flower. Now this shows the different parts of a flower. So can you name the parts of a flower? How about if we start way down here? What is the name of, what is this? What are these? These are roots. And flowers need roots, first of all, to hold it in place. So when the wind blows, the flower doesn't blow away or blow over. But it also needs roots to drink. The rain falls, it goes into the ground, and through the roots, the flower will get all its water and all the food it needs to grow into a beautiful flower. What is this called? Do you know what this part of the flower is called? This is the stem. This is what holds the flower up straight. Yes. How about, how about this? Do you know what that is? Of course you do. That's a leaf. Flowers have leaves, and usually the leaves will come out before the head of the flower does. So up here on our flower, what are these called? These are called petals. So a flower has many parts to it. I hope when the sun comes out, you'll be able to go out into your garden and just take a look at the many different flowers that you have outside. If you can, maybe you can name them or take a picture of you with a flower. I would love to see you with a flower. That would be really, really cool. So, a flower starts out, do you know what it starts out as? I'm going to bring it over here. It starts out a tiny little seed, and Mrs. Martin has a package of seeds. Now these are all different kinds of flowers. It's a mix, but they say these flowers are butterfly flowers. That means that butterflies love to come and land on these flowers. And I hope to see some pretty butterflies that will land on my flowers. Well, let's take a look at what's in the package. In the package are flower seeds, but oh my gosh, take a look. I'm going to try to show you how tiny a flower seed can be. Here goes, let's see. Can we see that? Whoop, no, not the dirty dishes in my sink. Let's see if I can show you what the seed looks like. I'm going to bring it over to the table because I'd like to plant some of these. Here we go. Let's see. Let's see if we can get my, oh look! Look how tiny those seeds are in my hand. I have 3 of them. Now, To plant a